Good evening, everyone. Thank you for inviting me to be a jury member for this year's Tatler Design Awards and to allow me to speak with you all today. But first, congratulations to this year's winners for being recognized as one of the most notable residential projects built in Singapore in the past year, despite the challenging circumstances. Speaking as an architect who has had the pleasure to design some houses in my lifetime, I understand the privilege to be entrusted to design a sanctuary for a family that will be their place of home. In my role as the head of the DesignSingapore Council, I often get asked, what is Singapore design? I could rationalize that it is an evolving one that finds expression from our multicultural and multiracial society, where there's no one language due to our diversity, but a rojak of expression with an Asian tropical sensibility. But instead of searching for an identity in how Singapore design looks, I feel it lies in a certain spirit in the impact that it makes on our society and even the world at large. This is in the same manner as what being Singaporean is for all of us, not by our race, but rather a shared set of values and mission for a better society and progress. And this is precisely what we look out for in our President's Design Award recipients. Since 2018, we revised our award criteria to recognize design impact in the following areas of enabling economic transformation, raising the quality of life, advancing Singapore's brand and culture, and making groundbreaking design achievements. And it's been amazing to see the breadth of project winners from across diverse design disciplines, from service design, cutting-edge sustainable innovations, branding projects, to heritage preservation. And we'll be announcing the winners at the end of June this year at the Istana. At the Council, our main roles are to strengthen the competitiveness and the competencies of the design industry, drive innovation in business and government through design, and infuse design as a national skill set. We recognize that for designers to produce significant work in the world, they need to have a distinctive identity and voice on design. Our Good Design Research Program helps designers develop their unique proposition in designing for impact through research and experimentation. Our inaugural run last year saw 7 projects awarded that address a range of global and societal issues. For example, fashion label Jin Lee Studio created an on-demand and on-the-spot manufacturing solution that is both sustainable and experiential for customers. You can experience that at their Great World City outlet. Forrest and Will, a talented industrial design duo, is looking to reduce the use of single-use plastic containers through innovative and sustainable food packaging alternatives. And Common Ground, a social design agency, is on a quest to build inclusive and responsive social networks through community design. We are also working with businesses to help them uncover new opportunities by placing their customers first and driving profitable human-centered innovation. And last year, we partnered with McKinsey Design to launch the Business Value of Design program. We used their proprietary design index to help business leaders assess their company's design performance and surface improvement areas. And Singapore is actually the first country to do so, and feedback from participating companies have been most encouraging. And finally, how can we develop the next generation of design leaders, as well as nurture creativity and a design mindset when they're young? In February this year, we held the second Design Education Summit aimed at inspiring and equipping both educators and parents to adopt design thinking in general education. And the response was incredible, as it drew more than 600 attendees and a testament to the growing interest in educating our young ones in the skills of the future, in creativity, collaboration, and empathy. We also continue to invest in our future design leaders through our Design Singapore Scholarship. And since 2005, we've actually supported 62 recipients, and in recent years observed that more are pursuing emerging design fields like service design, design engineering, and design management, in response to the new design roles emerging across the economy. So the world ahead has changed, and all of us are wondering what the new world ahead looks like. In a future of unknowns, where most would be fearful and anxious, this is where designers thrive best, in their ability to imagine the future. Designers are futurists, thinking about what's going to happen and making something new happen in the world to make it a better place. And hence, before the world opens up again, in this rare chance for us to slow down, dig deep, and reflect to find clarity of mission and purpose, this year's award theme of local roots is so apt. In its season to invest in nurturing new ideas that could yield a harvest later. And with that, I wish you a most wonderful evening. And once again, the heartiest congratulations to all of this